Hi, my name is Gay from Spirit Walker Crystals, and today we're having a little bit of a stock check, and I'm having a breather. I was just photographing these lovely calcite ROMs and thought I would share them with you. Calcite is really good for spiritual development and also helps us learn from our past mistakes so that we don't have to keep repeating them and that we can then move on. It's also very good for disagreements and marvellous for helping us remember things, so they're good for memory, making them a good study enhancer. So if we take a closer look at them, we've got some turquoise, beautiful in the light there, and some green, pink, and some lilac, a bit of gold one over there, and the natural state one, which is clear, sometimes called Icelandic Spar. So if we zoom out, you can see them. They're like a box of Turkish delights, aren't they? Lovely. And you need to be careful really when you're cleansing these, because they are water soluble to a point. So don't go cleansing them by soaking them in water overnight. Use some tincture bells maybe to cleanse them. Okay, so my name is Gay from spiritwalkercrystalshop.co.uk.